So if you're into Xiaomi's latest news, or if you're a user of the Redmi series, you should know that Xiaomi Malaysia just launched the Redmi Note 15 series, which includes this one that I have here. This is the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus 5G. Such a long name, okay? But it is a very good phone. You know why? I'm gonna tell you why. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So under this Redmi Note 15 series, they have the Redmi Note 15, Redmi Note 15 5G, Redmi Note 15 Pro, and also the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus 5G, which is this one, okay? So if you're into flat screen or flat display, I would suggest you get the Redmi Note 15 Pro, because the one I have here, which is the Plus, it has somewhat of a curved display on the side here, okay? I personally is not a fan of curved displays, but if you are, then maybe this one's for you. For me, I will definitely pick the Pro version. Now, of course, I want to share with you why is this a very good budget phone. Let's talk about price. This, which is their highest range Redmi Note 15 series, is only 1699 for, I think, pre-orders or early birds, and the normal price would be around 1008 like that, which is still a very good deal for a phone that packs a punch, okay? So let me tell you about this new thing that they call Titan durability. So Xiaomi Malaysia, during the launch, they say, oh, we have this Titan durability thing that includes this and also the Pro version. So basically, they are trying to tell people that it is a very, very tough phone. So tough that you can drop it from a height of 2.5 meters, which is double my height and more, okay? And it will not break, it will not scratch, it will not do any harm to this phone at all, as you can see. Now, other than that, it's also using Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 glass on the front, and that also means if you drop heavy things on the screen, if you put your phone in the same pocket as your keys or your coins, or even if you have screws and nails in your pocket, and then you mix it up, don't worry, because it will not scratch at all. Now, it can also submerge into water because it is IP68, IP69, IP69K water and dust resistant. So as you can see, even if it goes into water, no problem. Video will still play, things will still move, you can still listen to your music while you're swimming. I mean, assuming you listen to music while you swim in the pool, then you can probably put this in the swimming pool. I don't know, you know. But yeah, so it is actually very tough. Can go into water and stuff like that. So Titan durability is only for the Pro and Pro Plus version. If you're into the Redmi Note 15 and the 15 5G, you won't get this Titan durability thing, but it is still very tough because Xiaomi said they have actually gone through a lot of tests to make sure you can use it for many years. Now, speaking of many years, the battery is a 6-year long life battery that they are promising users, okay? So don't worry that it will deplete or whatever, because you can use it for many years. And it is also a very big battery, 6500 mAh, which allows us to use this phone for 2 days. For light user lah, you know, if you continuously shoot live stream, cannot lah. But it's for people who, you know, use the phone like normal, scrolling Instagram, take some photos, web browsing, you know, stuff like that. You can definitely use it up to 2 days. And also for video playback, it can go up to 25 hours. I did not spend 25 hours just playing videos on this phone, so you will have to trust Xiaomi for that. Okay. Other than that, it also has very fast charging, 100-watt hypercharge they call it. So you can charge from 0 to 80 within 40 minutes or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. You can verify this by going to Xiaomi's website and stuff like that. And yeah, I feel that for this price, it is so durable. The battery can last so long, can also use for 2 days. It is such a worth it price for this phone, okay? Now speaking of charging, it can also reverse charge and use this phone to charge your other gadgets. So it will reverse charge up to 22.5 watt. And that is actually very fast. So if you want to quickly charge your earphones, quickly charge your microphone and stuff like that, you can actually plug the cable from this phone and plug it to your device to charge instantly. Now let's talk camera. The back design actually looks very good, especially on this color of the Pro Plus 5G. Now the main camera, 200 megapixel that you can zoom multiple focal length. According to them, you have like 5 cameras in one. You also have an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. So as you can see, from the camera UI, you get ultra wide 0.6 times, you get 1x, you get 2x, and you get 4x as well. So these are all in-sensor crop from the 200 megapixels camera. So you can kind of still push it digitally all the way to 30 times zoom. So as you can see, here are some sample photos. Whether you like it or not, it is very subjective, but paying this price for this phone and you are still able to digitally push photos all the way to 30 times, I also still feel it is very worth it. Now, other than the durability, other than the camera, you also get the usual AI features that Xiaomi has on their phones. So you get like AI writing, AI speech recognition, circle to search, AI beautify and stuff like that for your photos, so you can edit them and make them nice in case your photos are not so nice, just like my photo here. So yeah, that's basically a quick look and also what I think personally about this Redmi Note 15 series, especially the Pro Plus version. If you ask me, I would say get the Pro or the Pro Plus because you get a very tough phone. The price is also very good, starting at 1699 for the Pro Plus 5G version. This color, let me check the color name. Okay, so this is Glacier Blue. They also have mocha brown and also black, okay, according to their website. But to me, I prefer this color because it looks kind of modern, also kind of nice. Okay, so that is all that I can share with you from my recent testing and also experience with this phone, and also attending the Xiaomi Malaysia launch recently, along with their briefing and stuff like that, just to understand more about this device. Okay, it's already out now. You can also pre-order and check out Shopee or even like Xiaomi website, because according to them, they actually have some promises for users. Malaysia's #1 protection, according to them. 4-year battery warranty, 2-year liquid damage warranty, 2-year front and back cover protection, and also in general 2 years warranty. Okay lah, not bad lah. You pay 1000 plus, you get all these warranty. So yeah, that is all. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully I'm able to clear some doubts for you. And if you have any questions regarding this phone, you can always leave a comment. I will quickly try and reply your question if I'm able to, or you can also DM me on Instagram. My name is smashpop. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the button below this video, share this with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo.